Hey guys, this was a very quick view about Huggies Airsoft. It's an ultimate airy comfort. Okay, then what I show here is a tape type. It's not a pin, it's a tape type. Airsoft Huggies have airy comfort, mean can absorb more liquid or water. Okay, so have newborn S, M, L, XL, XXL size. Have a line indicator, indicate the capacity, the water capacity in the diaper. So they have a bubble design, you can see clearly, but this just a quick view. Okay, so just a quick view, the size and also the design. Okay, are you purchasing this type of diaper for your kids? But this was just a quick view video. Normally we'll try like if you have a new design or bubble pad technology. So so that's all for this quick view Huggies diaper. Okay, I just show you the bubble pad technology. So if you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to MCO channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.